Hello and welcome to another episode of Data Cleaning Hacks brought to you by the Learning Trust as part of the Mail Series training offer. Today we discuss another data cleaning hack that relates to data consistency, which is the search and replace function. Search or replace function in Excel allows you to search for a specific text or value in a selected range or the entire worksheet and replace it with another text or value. This function is useful when you need to make changes to a large amount of data quickly without manually editing each individual cell. As usual, select the columns where you would like to make changes. In this instance, the columns where you'd like to find and replace specific text. Once you have identified the column where you'd like to replace specific text, from your home menu, look for the Find and Select function. Once you are there, click Replace. And now, let's suppose that we have realized that in our data, we have certain students who have entered intern and others have entered internship. And in our conceptualization, we realize that they are probably referring to the same thing. And because data standardization is important, we want to make sure that we have one spelling for the same thing, right? So it's either we will choose intern or we'll choose internship. So now let's say we decide we want internship, right? So what we do is we will look for wherever in our data set we have intern. And we'll say we want to replace that with internship. And of course, it's important that we match the entire cell content. So if it's not clicked already in your Excel, then you have to mark this so that we have the exact match and we look for replace. Once you have clicked replace, I want you to check carefully what happens to instances where we have intern. So I'll go ahead and click replace. If you noted, the spelling intern that was previously there has been replaced with internship. And same will happen also where we have the rest of the spelling intern appearing. So it's replacing all those instances. And because we have a few cases where this is happening, we can, of course, afford to do it one by one. Otherwise, you can always use the replace all function. And now, because we have replaced all the instances, we will be notified in Excel that we no longer have a match. And again, our data is now standardized and it's now consistent. And the find and replace function can be beneficial for fixing errors that occur frequently or for standardizing spellings for, say, specific nouns that we might be having in our data set, like the case we had here with internship. There we go, folks. With your data cleared of spelling and formatting inconsistencies, you are one more step closer to analyzing your data and ensure accuracy and reliability of your findings. See you in the next data cleaning hack.